guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, guys, and today's video is going to be a new no glue slime recipes. So let's get started. But before we do, guys, make sure you please click like and subscribe. I probably already said that, but make sure you do and hit the notification bell, and make sure you comment down below. Okay, so now I have my old container from my other slime container with a lid, which I'm not going to be using the lid, maybe, I don't know. And then I'm just going to use, I don't really have a really, user thingy, so I'm just going to use my brush. I mean, I'm not going to use this part, but I'm going to use this part. And I have a towel right beside me. So I'm going to do my first ingredient. My first ingredient is, the Strength and Condition right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Strength and Condition. And this. Nope, not that. Actually, we're gonna do it with this one. Oh, stuff is already wet. I'm gonna try to get it unwet. Okay. I have a towel beside me. And then I'm going to use this oil-free acne scrub. I use it for my face. Yeah, I'm going to use that. So I'm going to take off the lid. I'm going to start the way y'all guys can see. I'm going to be mixing right here. So I'm going to add a little bit in here. Okay, not much. Oh my gosh, this is weird. Ooh, this is nasty. I'm gonna have to clean this all. This ain't gonna be fun. It's fun adding in all the stuff, but it ain't fun. I have to clean it. Okay, so I just added in all this stuff. See if it'll mix to a texture. Did I add too much, or is it stretchy? It isn't stretchy at all. Alright guys, so this looks like to seem a fail to me. This is the first recipe. It's the condition kind and the oil-free kind. And this is what it looks like right now. It looks nasty. So I'm gonna have to take this out, guys. That way I can make the other slime. Or the other. Ew, that's gross. That's gross. That's gross. I'm gonna have to like break this out or something. I like, ew, yeah. Oh gosh. Ew, this is gross. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna set that aside. Maybe. I don't know. I don't feel like getting up and cleaning it. Okay. Okay, I might have just a little bit of the other kind, so it's fine. I'm gonna put this up. Now we're going to be moving on with this. The, I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna try to get y'all close. The Parents' Choice. Yes, the Parents' Choice. Using that. And the L'Oreal Paris, it's shampoo. I'm glad I grabbed shampoo, because shampoo is actually better usually, because the other one isn't usually. Ew, I got all over the place. Okay, here's my first. I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use much, maybe a little, not too much. Ew, I just put it. Ew. That's what stuff. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. I'm dropping everything, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this. It's already turning into a texture, actually. Yeah, it's actually already turning into a texture. So that way it'll be ready for a texture. Alright, so it's already turning into a texture right now. And then I'm going to add a little bit. I think I'm just going to squirt it in there because it's hard. Let's see how many pumps I'm going to do. 3, 4. Oh my gosh, this is hard. 5, 6. I think I'm going to do 10. 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm done. Alright, let me mix it. Let me see what it turns into. Oh my gosh, it actually looks like it will come to a mixture look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is actually turning up. Let me show you guys, sorry. I'm just gonna try to mix it right here at the bottom. It's actually mixing pretty good at the bottom. Guys, I think I'm gonna just let this sit right here. I have another bowl I can use. Yeah, I'm gonna let that sit for a little. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in this little mini fridge. I'm gonna put it in my fridge right here. So I'm gonna put it in there right behind y'all. Let me do that. Sorry, the bottle's in the way. Ugh, this is nasty. Okay, I'm gonna turn it that way. That way it faces there. Okay. Okay, it's in there. I really gotta get my hands clean because my hands are sticky. Ugh, and they feel sticky from the other. Okay. Alright, let me get it out of my containers. Right here it is. It's got a little bit in it. I don't really care. I don't. I think I'm gonna put it on my top because that's on the top right here. No, I think it would be fine. Wait, I just almost got it out and it didn't want it to land on the table, really? Great, I have to clean up a mess on my table. Shoot. I'm gonna leave it for this recipe, I think. I actually am gonna make the same recipe. This is gonna be just like adding in this stuff, the same stuff, until it actually gets into the right textures with the online said. Ew, it's nasty. It's gross. But I am going to be using Parents' Choice again, not this. And using L'Oreal shampoo, but it's the blue kind. L'Oreal. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this. It's almost out, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna get this in here. I'm actually just gonna take the top off. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. Okay. Sorry guys, this is a bunch of work. Okay, that's gross. Hell, it's dripping. Ah! Sorry guys, this is taking me forever to even do. It usually doesn't take people that long to do. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing. It's supposed to be like a good texture and everything. You're supposed to be able to play with it, is what it said. And it makes it really thick. And it is making it thick. That's what I'm looking at. It's getting there, it looks like. It feels like, or it looks like while I'm playing with it, it looks like putty kind of. Yeah, 'cause it's falling apart easily. Alright, this is what it looks like. I feel I can see, but it's like oozing out a little bit. All we could do is put it in my refrigerator and let it sit for a little bit. I'm gonna try to add some stuff in it again, but I'm just pour it in there. I don't feel like actually getting it in there. So it's just supposed to be at the right texture where it does not like stick to your hands or anything. Oh. Here, let me show you guys. That stuff that's like oozing out, you see? And it shouldn't be like that, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for a little bit. And put the top on it, actually. I'm gonna try it with the top on. Okay, I'm gonna put the top on and put it in there. We're just going to wait. I'm gonna try to get the other stuff out. See if it worked. Ew. Looks nasty. I don't know if it worked or not. I'm gonna see. Oh my gosh. I don't know if it worked or not. It's touchable, kind of. It's got my hands all over it. Oh, let me show you guys. Sorry for that. Okay, that's all the stuff around it, like right here. Yeah, that's all the stuff oozing out. That's gross. But right now, it's like a touchable. You see my fingers going through it. It is kind of touchable. Not very, because you'll have some leftover stuff all over it. Or what you would call it. Some... Ugh, I just watched a video with it, but I forget. And then it's like really playful and everything. It just... The only thing that you wouldn't like is all the smudgies and everything gets all over it. Like, you could play with it normally and everything. It would just get all over your hands and all over your table. So I would suggest if you played and made this, you would actually need to play with it, like, probably in the bathtub. Because it looks like it's like a good thing to use if you're washing your hair. Ugh, I just touched it with my hands. I don't know, I feel like I'm going to try to add more, and if it doesn't work, then I'm just going to give up on it, guys. Ugh, that's nasty. I'm trying to add a lot. See? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Ew, ew, ew. That's gross, that's gross, that's gross, that's gross. Alright, let me grab my towel and grab this. Oh, my towels look just terrible now. Alright, well, at least I'm putting that in the wash after what did I do with my mixing tool? Did I just really get rid of it? There it is. Okay, I found it. Okay. I'm saying fill turn. You know, it's not turning at all. Yeah, it is. It's got the texture and everything with it. It's just not turning. Like, it's still touching my spoon, a little thing, my brush, and yeah. I mean, it's got a beautiful texture and everything. It's just not what I want it to be. So yeah, I'm gonna give up with this. There's that. Moving that out of the way. I'm waiting for this to be out of the refrigerator. I'm gonna go ahead and check on it. It's been around, I would say 5 minutes so far. I would say 5 minutes so far. Yeah, it has been 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes so far, and I think it's, excuse me, I think it's time for me to get it out. So, sorry for that. Now let's get it out. Does it even get cold back there? There used to be an ice back there, but there isn't. It melted. So, in the world. I was about to say, like, it won't stay right there. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna use my mixing tool to do this. I don't know. It's got a good texture. Oh no, I'm gonna touch it with my hands and see. Okay, yeah, it still does leave smudges all over your fingers. Still does. But this one overall is a good texture. It's playful. It looks like it just would be like putty. But I wouldn't recommend you taking it out because I'm taking it out right now. And it's making a huge mess. Yes, I wouldn't recommend you doing that. At all. Like, at all. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I would not recommend you doing that. Playing with it in your table. Yeah. Unless you wanted to. And it was up to your mom and dad's permission. But I would not recommend doing that because I don't want to get in trouble for anything. Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments tell me if you actually enjoy this. If you do, just make sure you hit that like button and I will know. Because usually when I have a bunch of views and a bunch of likes, I kind of know to do that next video with y'all guys. So that way I can keep on doing what y'all love the most. So please keep on doing that, guys. I love you guys. Alright. I love you guys, and bye.